Right, here we go then. I'm going to hand Jim his knob back. Hey Jim, how does it feel to drive with no knob?
I feel like I've got no knob.
Can we see your knob? Or where it's supposed to be?
Oh, the other knob.
And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. There is no knob there. Now Jim, I would like to congratulate you on driving with such a little knob. Here you go. Put it back on.
Oh, thanks. I've been dying to touch my knob all night.
I know you have, mate.
What it feels like for you to have had hold of my knob.
Mate, I had
all night.
hold of it tight.
And now for you to finally give me my knob back.
You've finally got a knob.
Can I kiss it?
You can kiss it, mate. It's been there on my balls. He's gone and dropped it now. Well, that was not a good start.
Well, you made me panic. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it fits nice there.
I think it was made to go there.
I think it was made to go there, mate, actually. It's a bit better than being in my hand.
Yeah.
So, Jim, any last words?
Thanks for playing my knob all night. I enjoyed that. Definitely, it was a nice knob.
Well, that was it. What more can I say? But fuck off.